Hello guys, I'm Vijay here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to animate an NGUI sprite using the new animation system. Create animation clips using the Anim Sprite Maker. Import a sprite sheet using the new slice option. Import a single or a multiple mode Unity sprite. And how to make use of the sprite sheet importer to create an animation clip from a GIF file. First of all, why do we need a sprite sheet importer for NGUI? Go through this thread, sprite sheet mystery, to find the answer. Let's have a look at the sprite sheet importer and the slice option. Create a new atlas for the dragon sprite sheet. Let's call it dragon atlas. And make sure that the trim alpha option is unchecked. You can see the atlas is made up of a 1K texture and a dragon is now a part of it like any other NGUI sprite. And it can now be sliced into multiple sprites. The dragon sheet has 8 animations, one for each direction, and each animation is made up of 10 keyframes of size 75 by 70. Slice. All the 80 keyframes are now part of the atlas. One important thing to note here is the atlas texture is unchanged, because all the new sprites refer to the original image data and can be used as any other NGUI sprite. The parent sprite can be deleted from the sprites list. This will be useful when importing more sprite sheets into one atlas. The atlas gets rebuilt to make best use of the atlas space. After learning how to import a sprite sheet and to slice it, let's see how to create an animation clip like this using the Anim Sprite Maker from a GIF file. Let's create an animation clip from this axkick GIF file. To do that, first we need to convert this GIF file into a sprite sheet, because our system is capable of only importing a sprite sheet but not a GIF file. There are many desktop tools and online portals to do this. I found this one the most simplest one. I have already created few animation clips and all are part of the same atlas SF1. Let's download the sprite and add it to the same atlas. And here are the two downloaded files, GIF and the sprite sheet. We only need to import the sprite sheet. Let's do it. Once imported, we can slice it using the slice option as before. This sprite sheet has 9 keyframes, all arranged in a single row. Slice will do the perfect job for us, but let's look at the second option on how to import a multiple mode Unity sprite. Go through this tutorial to learn more about Unity sprites. The dimension of axkick GIF file is 150 by 132 pixels. Unity's sprite editor can slice the sprites exactly like the previous slice method by using the grid option. Set 150 by 132 as the grid size. For now, let's not worry about the anchor points. Slice to review the keyframes. Once OK, apply. This will create mini sprites under our original axkick sprite sheet. Select all the 9 mini sprites and add them to the atlas like any other texture file. Here we go. A multiple mode Unity sprite is now part of the NGUI. This sheet can now go to trash as it is no longer required to be part of the atlas. Let's move on to the next section on how to create an animation clip. Create button will pop open the Anim Sprites Maker window. The message says, click on Add button to add keyframes to the animation. Single click on the sprites to add them in that sequence. Double click to add and close the window. Give the clip a name, Axe Kick. Right click on the keyframes to open the context menu. Delete will remove the selected keyframe and Insert will add a new frame next to it. In Unity, the editor windows gets refreshed at only 10 fps. Hence, the preview might not look smooth for clips with FPS greater than 10. The clip's FPS can be set using this slider. Save will add a new entry under the animations section, which can be edited later as and when required. Now the final section. Let's attach this anim clip to an NGUI sprite. This is very simple. Just set the sprite type to be as animated and any animation present in this atlas can be used by just setting the clip name property. And here we go. Sprite animations in NGUI. Thanks for watching.